What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Corbin back with another video. Today we are gonna be trying Korean corn dogs. I'd be lying if I said we haven't tried these before. We have tried them before, right, Bridget? Where we trying them at? The some type of food mart place or whatever, but they were frozen. They weren't really good and they were really expensive. So today we're at the Chill Spot. It's a Korean restaurant type place. We about to go in here and try them and see what's to them. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead and like the video, watch the entire video, and join the family. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and we'll see you inside.
What are we about to eat at?
You want this one, regular one? Or you want one with cheese in it? Huh? Okay. I'll give you my half beef, half cheese.
A half beef and half cheese on. I think I want to try the hot Cheeto one, the cheese and hot Cheeto one. Yeah, just beef. What kind did you get, Bridget?
Got half beef, half potato. I mean half beef, half cheese with potato.
What kind you get, CJ?
Half cheese, half beef.
Want the ketchup?
Let me see how it look.
Come on, is your eye okay?
That look like sugar on it.
It is sugar.
I didn't order sugar, so I better not have
I'm
sugar.
getting hungry with you.
I better not have no sugar on my dog, bro. You gonna have a problem, bro. Bag and say hot dog, but it really a corn dog, big bro. Well, mine's supposed to have hot Cheeto on it.
Beef and cheese.
Supposed to have hot Cheeto powder on there, big bro. What it looking like?
I got potato. We'll have cheese, have beef. I'm good.
I don't know if it convince somebody to put potatoes on the outside of a corn dog though.
That's how I feel about them. They feel good.
Blowy, but the wind's so windy.
Look it up. Thank you.
It really don't taste like hot Cheetos though. Mine fire. You can share it, she's nothing. Mine fire. But it's not something I can eat every day. Is this something you can eat all the time? There's too much cheese in this thing, man.
You gonna get beef?
I thought I was gonna be, I didn't think it was gonna be this much cheese in there.
Half cheese, half. Did you get beef?
No, I just got cheese. Hot Cheeto.
Oh, well, that's what your shop out.
I
You
didn't
got our
think.
beef.
All beef.
Yeah.
Well, I would have wanted a little bit of cheese. I would probably rate this, I'd probably rate it like an 8. 8 out of 10.
Man, that I need, bro.
Yours got meat in it?
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm trying to figure out what you in there.
I don't know. I just seen hot Cheeto and was like, okay. This shit don't even taste like hot Cheeto, man. At all.
Here's one of the bowls. What kind you want?
The peach green color.
Give me here. You don't know what it is.
Say we need to find somewhere to sit.
They ain't had no smaller ones for kids?
Oh, I like that. You don't like yours? You don't like it?
What it taste like?
Nah.
Yours good, Buck? Yeah. You know that, right?
It's watermelon. This is lychee.
How much was that?
Lychee tea, $6. Lychee tea with peach boba.
Okay.
CJ got peach green tea with strawberry boba. Cam got watermelon tea with strawberry boba.
Boba. Hey. What do you rate it?
For $6, I rate this a 0. Great big game show.
This is the inside of our studio.
Oh wow, this is like a TV show type deal.
Exactly, just like you see on TV. We're gonna clean up a little bit, so we got some confetti on the floor and stuff. But
Confetti.
yeah, you can look around, see all the different stuff. As a matter of fact, we'll give you a demo of a little bit.
Nice.
So, once you see that buzzer light up in just a second, I want one of you guys to hit it for me, okay? All right, you ready? Go ahead and smack that buzzer.
Whoa.
If somebody wants to do things with that great big wheel, if you get 2,000 on your spin, that is one free ticket, one free game spot.
Okay.
So, let's see what you got. A very good spin. Let's see what you can get here. 2,000, what's one? And just a little bit too much. We're heading back around 500. How about 200 and
Wham, wham.
That's a 50 spot though. That's good.
Yeah, we're really booked up today, so I don't know if we could fit you in, but I'd love to get you the difference.
Okay, then. Well, thank you so much.
That's 10%. Here we come back. One put on there, that will go different expires. So you can either give it in person or book online. It has that on there as well.
So what's the age?
Any age you can come play.
Oh, okay.
You been here? I
Age,
did.
no, or anything.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank
We
you.
appreciate you.
I'm definitely coming back.
Oh, sorry.
We did the escape room next door, but
Nice, you like it?
oh yeah,
Yeah, it
that's
was
cool.
amazing. It was pretty cool, man. It was